Here is NUCIDA's weekly forecast of expected post activities in the realm of software quality on social media channels for week 11 of 2026. Our analysis is based on the social media post data from LinkedIn, YouTube, X, and other internet sources released last week, which revealed dynamic daily changes. I'll leverage the provided web results, which cover software quality trends for 2026, and combine them with logical extrapolation of ongoing conversations in the tech community. The ranking is based on the prominence of topics in recent publications, their relevance to current software quality challenges, and their engagement potential on the mentioned platforms. Each topic's ranking reflects its immediacy, impact, and discussion volume, with reasons for placement and a forecast for future trends included. So, what will be the top 10 hot topics this week? Buckle up and let's start the countdown. 10. Sustainable testing practices. This topic ranks at number 10 because it appears in forward-looking discussions across YouTube forecasts and blogs, but with lower immediate buzz compared to AI-centric themes, as seen in analyses from early 2026 that highlight environmental concerns in software development without dominating current conversations, particularly as organizations increasingly recognize the carbon footprint of extensive testing infrastructures in cloud environments, which has been a growing point of discussion in sustainability-focused tech reports, emphasizing the need for eco-friendly practices amid global regulatory pushes for greener IT operations. Organizations should prioritize sustainable testing by optimizing test environments to reduce energy consumption, such as using cloud resources efficiently, and minimizing redundant test runs through intelligent scheduling, which not only lowers operational costs but also aligns with corporate social responsibility goals, ensuring that testing processes contribute to broader environmental objectives while maintaining high software quality standards in an era where data centers consume significant global energy. In the next 3 months, this topic will gain traction as regulatory pressures increase, leading to wider adoption of green QA tools and metrics that track carbon footprints in testing pipelines, with industry leaders likely integrating these practices into standard DevOps workflows to achieve measurable reductions in energy usage and promote long-term sustainability in software development ecosystems. 9. Quantum validation. Quantum validation secures the 9th spot due to its emerging mentions in specialized tech blogs and YouTube videos predicting future tech shifts, though it remains niche and less discussed in mainstream social media this week compared to more accessible quality trends, as quantum computing's potential to revolutionize validation processes is still in exploratory stages, with experts noting its ability to handle complex simulations that classical computers cannot. Yet adoption barriers like hardware availability and skill gaps keep it from higher rankings in current discussions. Teams are advised to start exploring quantum-resistant algorithms in their validation processes to future-proof software against potential quantum computing threats, which involves assessing current cryptographic methods for vulnerabilities and gradually incorporating quantum-safe alternatives to ensure data security in a post-quantum world, thereby preventing future disruptions and maintaining trust in software systems as quantum technologies mature. Over the coming 3 months, expect pilot projects in quantum validation to proliferate in research institutions, paving the way for initial industry standards and tool integrations, with collaborations between tech giants and academia accelerating the development of accessible frameworks that bridge the gap between theoretical quantum advantages and practical software quality assurance applications. 8. Low-code and no-code test automation. Ranking 8th, this topic is frequently highlighted in LinkedIn posts and software testing trend articles for its accessibility, but it trails behind core AI innovations and engagement levels across YouTube and blogs this March, as it democratizes testing by enabling non-technical users to participate. Yet its limitations in handling complex scenarios keep it from overtaking more advanced AI-driven approaches in popularity among professional QA communities. Professionals should adopt low-code platforms to empower non-technical team members in creating tests, thereby accelerating development cycles and fostering collaboration, which reduces dependency on specialized coders, enhances team agility, and allows for quicker iterations in fast-paced agile environments where time to market is critical. In the next 3 months, this area will see explosive growth with new platform releases, making it a staple in agile teams and reducing barriers to entry for quality assurance, as vendors refine user interfaces and integrate AI enhancements to make these tools even more intuitive and capable of addressing enterprise-scale testing needs. 7. QAOps and DevSecOps integration. This integration ranks 7th as it is a recurring theme in quality assurance webinars and LinkedIn trends, reflecting operational efficiencies, yet it is overshadowed by flashier AI topics in current YouTube popularity, with discussions emphasizing how embedding QA into DevOps pipelines improves security and speed, but the implementation challenges in legacy systems prevent it from ranking higher in immediate buzz. Companies ought to implement QAOps by embedding quality checks into CI/CD pipelines, ensuring security and performance are addressed early, which streamlines workflows, minimizes post-deployment issues, and aligns quality assurance with broader development and security objectives to create more resilient software products. The prediction for the next 3 months includes broader adoption in enterprise settings, with tools evolving to support seamless integrations and automated compliance reporting, as organizations invest in training and infrastructure to fully realize the benefits of this integrated approach in enhancing overall software delivery efficiency. 6. Testing AI-generated code. Occupying the 6th position, this topic gains visibility through YouTube discussions and blog forecasts, driven by the rise of AI in coding. But it does not yet match the volume of talks on autonomous testing systems, as the need to verify AI outputs for accuracy and bias becomes paramount. Yet the evolving nature of AI tools means testing methodologies are still catching up in widespread application. Developers are recommended to establish verification frameworks specifically for AI-generated code, including bias checks and robustness testing to maintain reliability, which involves systematic reviews to detect hallucinations or inefficiencies that AI might introduce, ensuring that the final product meets quality standards despite accelerated generation processes. Within the next 3 months, specialized testing suites will emerge, enhancing confidence in AI outputs and integrating with popular IDEs as the industry develops standardized protocols to handle the unique challenges posed by AI-assisted development and promote safer adoption across teams. 5. Shift left and shift right testing. This methodology ranks 5th, owing to its consistent presence in software quality trend reports and LinkedIn shares, emphasizing proactive quality, though it is less hyped than Agentic AI in recent YouTube content, as it promotes early defect detection and continuous monitoring, balancing prevention with real-world feedback to improve overall software resilience in dynamic environments. Teams should shift testing earlier in the lifecycle by involving QA in design phases and extend it post-deployment for real-time feedback, which reduces costly late-stage fixes, enhances collaboration between development and operations, and ensures that software performs well under actual user conditions. Over the next 3 months, this practice will mature with AI assistance, leading to reduced defects and faster iterations in software releases, as tools incorporate machine learning to automate risk assessments and provide actionable insights throughout the entire development and deployment continuum. 4. Self-healing test automation. Ranking 4th, self-healing automation is buzzing in YouTube forecasts and tech blogs for its efficiency gains, building on AI trends but not quite reaching the top due to implementation challenges discussed on LinkedIn, such as the need for sophisticated ML models to adapt to changes without human intervention, making it a practical evolution in maintaining test stability. Practitioners are advised to incorporate machine learning models that automatically update tests when UI changes occur, minimizing maintenance efforts, which saves time, reduces flaky tests, and allows teams to focus on strategic quality improvements rather than constant script adjustments. In the upcoming 3 months, advancements in this technology will include open source contributions, making it more accessible and reducing flaky tests across industries, with increased vendor support enabling easier integration into existing automation frameworks and broader application in complex, frequently updating applications. 3. Ethical AI governance. This topic claims the third spot, with strong mentions in YouTube videos and LinkedIn posts addressing AI responsibilities, gaining urgency from regulatory talks, but trailing pure tech innovations in volume, as concerns over bias, transparency, and societal impact drive the need for structured oversight in AI deployments within software quality processes. Organizations must develop governance frameworks that include ethical audits in QA processes to ensure fairness and transparency in AI systems, which involves regular assessments for unintended biases and compliance with emerging standards to build user trust and mitigate legal risks. The next 3 months will witness the introduction of global standards, prompting companies to invest in training and tools for ethical compliance, as international regulations solidify and industry consortia collaborate to establish best practices that integrate ethics seamlessly into quality assurance workflows. 2. Agentic AI and multi-agent systems. Securing second place, Agentic AI is a hot discussion point across blogs, YouTube, and LinkedIn for its transformative potential in quality assurance, nearly topping the list due to high engagement this week, as these systems enable collaborative, autonomous problem-solving and testing, representing a shift toward more intelligent, adaptive QA environments. Experts suggest experimenting with multi-agent setups, where AI agents collaborate on testing tasks to simulate complex scenarios effectively, which enhances coverage, speeds up identification of issues, and mimics real-world interactions more accurately than traditional methods. Predictions indicate that in the next 3 months, commercial platforms will launch, accelerating adoption and reshaping collaborative QA environments, with advancements in interoperability allowing these systems to integrate with diverse tools and scale across enterprise-level projects. 1. Autonomous AI testing. Topping the list at number 1, autonomous AI testing dominates conversations on YouTube, LinkedIn, and blogs this March, fueled by its promise of hands-off quality assurance and frequent mentions in weekly forecasts, as it leverages AI to handle entire testing life cycles independently, addressing the demands for faster releases and reduced human oversight in modern software development. Teams should integrate autonomous agents that handle end-to-end testing workflows, freeing human resources for strategic oversight, which boosts efficiency, scales testing efforts, and ensures consistent quality in high-velocity development settings. Over the next 3 months, this topic will evolve rapidly with real-world deployments, leading to significant productivity boosts and industry benchmarks, as pilot programs demonstrate tangible ROI and spur widespread implementation in agile and DevOps practices. Looking ahead to 2027 and 2028, the software quality landscape is poised for groundbreaking shifts toward fully autonomous quality platforms that operate without human intervention. Quantum validation techniques that leverage quantum computing for unprecedented accuracy in complex simulations. Strengthened ethical AI governance to address societal impacts and ensure equitable technology deployment. And widespread sustainable testing practices that prioritize environmental responsibility in global development ecosystems, driven by advancements in AI integration, regulatory evolutions, and a growing emphasis on holistic quality that encompasses performance, security, ethics, and sustainability to meet the demands of increasingly interconnected and intelligent systems. Hopefully, this video gives you additional insights. What do you think about the hot topics this week? Write your views in the comments section below. In terms of further questions, feel free to write to us. We will analyze all important internet channels and release our analysis report every Monday. Follow or subscribe to this channel to stay up to date and know more than your competitors. Happy testing, and see you next time.